Good morning, everyone. How are you? It is nice outside today. Today, I will go somewhere, someplace. Wow, that looks beautiful. The sunrise looks really beautiful today. It looks different. It doesn't look the same. I am using a new mod. It looks beautiful. Let's go to different places. Let's use the map. From here, I can see the jungle. I can see a lot of sand too. There is some sugarcane. I don't need sugarcane right now. I am gonna go a different way. I am going this way. I am rowing towards the sun. This way, towards the sun. I still need to see more of the map. I have only seen a little bit of the map. Only a little. Those trees in the jungle are really big. I don't know if there are any good places this way. I wanna find a lot of good places. Places I can enjoy. I like the water in the other mod. The water in this mod isn't very good. The sky in this mod is beautiful though. Some more sugarcane. This desert is really big. Perhaps there is only desert this way. No mesa, no trees, no mangroves, only desert. I will go this way. Is this the right way? I don't know. I can only see desert and jungle. So, perhaps I will go this way. This is perhaps the right way to go. This map is very useful. This map is really helpful. Thank you for your help, map. I can only see sand and water. Because I have a map, though, I know where to go. Okay, that is a spider's eye and a spider web. I don't need a spider's eye right now, but I can use a spider web to make a fishing rod. I want a fishing rod, so the spider web is useful. I am now going this way. I wanna find something different. Not the same desert, something different. This desert is really big. I won't make a railway today, but I wanna make a railway. Oh, wow! That over there is a temple. Over there. Here there over there. Also, I found another mesa. One other is the same as another. I will go over there to the temple. More rabbits. I like rabbits a lot. I love rabbits. Oh, another cave. And one more. I need some sticks. I am hitting these dry plants. They have no water, so they are dry. I will use the sticks to make some torches. I don't have enough torches. I need more. Now I have enough torches. I am placing the torches so I won't see any zombies or skeletons or creepers. I will dig down here and get the treasure. Treasure is something like gold or lapis or emeralds, maybe. The treasure is in chests. Under the floor, there is TNT. TNT is dangerous. So, this chest has a diamond. I need diamonds. I got more spider webs. They are called strings because one uses them like a string. There is a lot of treasure here. I love treasure. I will need to get the TNT under the floor. More strings and some golden apples. I now have 3 diamonds. I love diamonds. My inventory is almost full. Not full yet, but not empty. There is a lot, so it is almost full. Next, I will place blocks and get out. Next, I am going to visit a mesa again. A different mesa this time, though. This place is strange. I am happy to have my map, though, because I don't want to get lost again. Wow, that hole was dangerous. Hello, my friends. Rabbits are my friends. The vines look brown. The colors in this mod are beautiful. I love the colors of the mesa. I love them. Now I am going this way. I don't know if it is the right way or not. Oh, look, an armadillo. Armadillos are really cute. I love them. They are a little bit strange, but still cute. Having this map is really helpful. I love it. I found some more spider webs. I'm gonna get these ones too. These spider webs. These ones. This cave doesn't go anywhere. I cannot go this way. This is an old mine. I saw some rails. I can use those too. They will be useful. This mine is different to the other mine because some of it is outside. I want to get some of the terracotta. I won't get it tonight. This night. Tonight. Today. Tonight. I will stay here tonight. Good night.